everyone. This is to just show you the TV stand as it's finished and holding up the TV. Here's the TV, here's the bottom of the stand, and my receiver down here is the whole reason I had to do this, because if you notice the legs, if I just use the legs, the stand for the receiver is higher than where the legs would have sat down, and it just doesn't work. So I built this stand and showed you. I did add a feature of putting a bolt through just in case this would ever decide to lean forward. It won't now because I got a bolt on each side. The rest of it is screwed and the plate is glued to the uprights, so there's not much chance of it coming loose, but just to give that a little bit extra. I thought I got two bolts the same, but someone must have mixed them up. If you notice, that one works really well on the far side, and this one sticks out about ½ an inch longer, which means that somebody threw this into the wrong bin. Oh well. And the TV mount itself is right here, bolted to the frame, and I really liked these horizontal supports. I don't know if you can see this or not, but the way that they just sit down in here, so you just kind of angle it on and set it down, and then there's two bolts down on the bottom. Not sure if it's very, yeah, here you can see the bolts go up through and hold the TV from kind of swinging out. I also put a screw in on each bottom leg so that it can't lean forward. I don't think it will because the legs come out past the TV. It may be kind of high, but it doesn't weigh much. So just to get a glimpse of the other side here, I painted it black to kind of fit with the rest of the stand. And I also used the foot here as a tie down for a little bit of the cable management. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it like that. I may put a bracket across the back, or not a bracket, but a piece of wood across the back so that all the cables go to the middle and down or so. I'm not sure about that. And then I also got the Wii on the top. One other thing I have to do is add little tie mounts to the TV because the receiver also has AM/FM, and right now the antenna is just hanging down in that bunch of cables back there, and I'll have to do that. But just wanted to show you, there is the stand. It's finished and in operation. My wife says that it kind of looks like a robot, so she doesn't mind it, and I'm glad that she's okay with what I made. Okay, this will be me signing off. Have a Merry Christmas, and remember, treat others the way you want to be treated. Bye.